Alright guys, Joshua Zamora here, and in this quick demo video I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily get first page rankings by using SocialRobot to syndicate your content to over 500 high quality social bookmarking sites. Alright, now you've already seen the amazing proofs that we've been able to get and the amazing case studies that we've been able to get by using SocialRobot. So this video is going to pretty much show you how the software works so you can understand what you're getting before you purchase SocialRobot. All right, so here I have it open. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do once you install SocialRobot is to create a project. All right, I already have a project created here, but with the pro version of SocialRobot, you can create an unlimited amount of projects. So that's the version that I recommend you going so that you can create as many projects as you want. All right, to create a new project, you just come here, hit Add Project, enter the name of the project. All right, demo 2, hit OK. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hit no because it would have taken me to this one that I just created. So I want to stay in this demo one, but this demo 2 here, if I ever want to just move to that project, I just click on it and start editing that project instead of this one. All right, so once you created the project, the first thing you're going to do is go to this screen that I'm on right now, which is project settings. All right, and here's where you're pretty much going to set the settings for the URL that you want to have syndicated. Right now, we do have an automatically generate random settings button here that will fill in all this information for you except the website URL. All right, so once you hit that automatically generate random settings button, you're going to want to edit the URL, the tags, and the title and the description. All right. This is going to make sure that you are syndicating the correct information, all right? Because if you just hit automatically generate random settings and you don't change this out, then you're going to have the incorrect information for you to syndicate. So once you do that, it's going to generate the username, password, the tags, category, title, and description. So all you have to edit is a URL, which is where you're going to put your video URL or website URL, whatever it is that you want to have syndicated. The tags, this is of course where you're going to put your keywords, the category, self-explanatory, website title. Again, here's where you're going to put your keywords as well. And as you can see, I have them broken up in syntax format so that SocialRobot knows to choose a different one every time I get a bookmark from the software. So if I hit preview settings and I hit spin again, spin again, spin again, you'll see that the tags and the title is changing each time. This is very important because it's going to allow you to get as much traffic as possible from the keywords that you're targeting because you're going to be getting backlinks with anchor text that's different every single time you get a backlink. So that's going to help you to really vary up your anchor text, which allows you to get more traffic and more rankings by targeting more keywords. All right. So once that's done, you're also going to come here and verify your email. So first select the email type that you want. We have all of these major ones here. Enter your email, the password, test the email settings, and you'll see that email login was successful. So once that's done, you're going to want to head over to the sites tab and add the social bookmarking sites that you want to get links from. All right, now there's a few ways to do this. Number one, you can scrape your own links. Number two, you can buy some links from someone on Fiverr or SEO Clerks or something like that. Or you can use our social base integration, which you're going to learn about in the upsell offer. And I highly recommend that everyone purchase that because we've made it dead simple for you to use SocialRobot with Social Base. All right, Social Base is already built in to SocialRobot, and it pretty much comes with over 1,000 sites that you can use to post to every single week. All right, this is a database of sites that we personally scrape and filter through every single week that you can use to get backlinks from. All right, and as of right now, you can see that there's over 1,000 sites this week that have been loaded, and there's already a new list that's ready to be loaded as well. Your social base version is from the 6th. As you can see, there's a latest version from the 13th. So all you have to do every single week to get a brand new, fresh list of sites is hit update social base. and now the software is going to update with all the brand new sites that we've just scraped and added to SocialBase. All right, so I highly recommend that you get SocialBase as well, and you're going to learn about that in the upsell offer after you purchase SocialRobot. All right, we've got a very special deal on that as well. So once SocialBase has done populating with the latest sites for that week, you transfer to a project. All right, you can choose whichever one you want. All right, and all of these sites are now going to be transferred to that specific project. All right, so now anytime that you go to the project, these are the sites that are going to be from SocialBase. All right, so once that's done, that's pretty much all the configuration that you have to do. All right, from this point forward, all you're going to be doing is clicking your mouse and the software is going to do the rest for you. All right, we have two options for you to choose from. One is completely hands-free, and the other one requires a few extra mouse clicks for you to get your backlinks. All right, so the first one is this one-click posting option that we have here. All right, if you click on this, this is going to do absolutely everything for you. All right, once you click on this button, SocialRobot is going to create a register on the accounts that have been added from these sites here. It's going to confirm the emails, and it's going to post the content all 100% hands-free from you. All right, it's going to do everything for you. If you want to do these steps manually, we have that here for you as well. So you can do it one by one. You can register the accounts. Then once that's done, you confirm the emails. Then once that's done, you post the content. All right, so there's two ways to do it. You can do it 100% automatically, or you can do it semi-manually, where you just got to click the buttons each time the process is done. All right, so here you can see we have register accounts, confirm emails, post content. We also have other actions within here that you can check the page rank of the sites. You can identify the platforms. All right, and with the pro version, we have you can get access to all 6 of the types of platforms. Now, by platforms, we mean the type of social bookmarking site that you're posting to. All right, and there's different types of bookmarking sites that are coded in different platforms, and that's what we mean by that. You can also verify links from once the campaign is done. You can verify that the links are actually posted on there. All right, and we also have other options here where you can post to sites that have not been posted to, post to failed sites, or post to all sites. You can also automatically determine postable sites. You can register the account, same thing here. You can have different options, registers to on all unregistered sites, failed sites, or all sites. All right, so we've made everything very easy, and pretty much you have full control of how you want to run SocialRobot. All right, we have here also the ability to export links. All right, you can export posted links, or you can only export verified links as well. All right, here you can add sites. Again, you can just copy and paste them here. You can import from a file, or you can also import from another project if you already have some sites in a project that you want to reuse. All right, so we have full flexibility with how you can add sites to the software as well. But of course, I highly recommend signing up for SocialBase, which again, you'll learn about in the upsell offer. All right. And here you can remove duplicates, remove blacklisted sites. We also have full logs, so you can keep a log of everything that's going on. And if for some reason SocialRobot is acting up on your computer, you'll have a full log that we can look at and see what's going on and identify the problem very, very fast. All right. We also have some amazing options here as well, where you can have captures, proxies, pinging, indexing. You can have content in here as well, spinning. Again, here's SocialBase, the blacklist, and logging. All right, and you have full control here. Here you can pretty much set the threads to however much you want. All right, you can set it to 100, and this of course all depends on your internet connection. All right, I was just playing around with this and have it set to lower, but you can have it set to up to 200 threads at a time. All right, and of course with the pro version you get 200 threads at a time. With the other ones you have a little lower, so that's why I highly recommend getting the pro version as well, so that you can get full flexibility in how you use SocialRobot. All right, so once all of this is done setting here, you can set the retry options as well. So if there's some sites that are failing to register or failing to post, you can set it so that it retries and however you set these settings here. All right, so once you hit save, all of that is good to go, and now we're ready to pretty much post. All right, and it's that simple. All right, once you have the project settings configured and the sites loaded, it's just one-click posting or following it manually. All right, so Also, before I forget, we also have a very powerful scheduler here. So for those of you that have niche sites and you want to have that natural look to your campaigns, you can schedule your backlinks to be posted spread out in however long you want. All right, and that's going to give your campaigns a nice natural looking feel, and it'll give you some great rankings for your niche sites as well. All right, so make sure you take advantage of the special offer that we currently have running for SocialRobot and start putting your traffic and rankings on complete autopilot by allowing SocialRobot to syndicate your content to over 500 high quality social bookmark, guys. You're not going to find a software out there that does what SocialRobot does. So make sure you take advantage of this special offer right now. And you'll also be getting some amazing bonuses, and you'll learn about all of that right below this video. So guys, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We look forward to seeing you in the members area and seeing your success stories with SocialRobot as well.